Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, boy, the CAD just keeps on pushing up, and at this point, it probably is going to go up and retest these highs, but we're going to have to see. I still think at some point it is going to go down and finish off this wave C of wave B before it actually makes a real push up for the bigger move for the big wave C. So I'm still looking at this as an A, B, and C correction. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still have this labeled as a wave B, even though it is going back up and retesting these highs. I still think it's probably just going to retest these highs and then probably end up pushing back down. I'm still looking at this as possibly like a wave 1, like an A, B, C, D, E of 2, and then possibly going down for a wave 3 of wave C. But for now, it's definitely very strong, and for now, I'm definitely looking for longs on sort of time frames. So going down to the daily, ever since we had a break of structure to the upside several weeks ago, I would have been doing nothing but looking for longs on sort of time frames. And while I'm looking for longs, if this thing just keeps on going up like it has been, then no problem. I'm looking for longs anyways. The Elliot wave count is only so important. What's more important is just taking it one step at a time. I still think that there's a good chance it may respect these highs over here, maybe do something like this and then go down, break structure. But for now, I'm definitely looking for longs on sort of time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, our most recent structure is right here. So unless this turns down and actually breaks this structure right here, I'm only looking for longs, and I'm only looking to go long on pullbacks. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally don't counter trend trade at all. Even if it does start a move down, the only thing that's going to turn me into a seller is seeing price go down and break this structure. Otherwise, I am looking for three-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. If you did nothing over the past few weeks except for go long on every single pullback you see and ignore every single short, like don't go even think about going short, but instead focus on going long at the end of every pullback, you would have been making an extremely lot of money over the past few weeks trading with the trend on the US dollar CAD. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.